Welcome back to Savvy Money Glow, your go-to channel for smart money tips. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, AI-powered passive income ideas you haven't tried yet. First up, consider utilizing AI-powered insight platforms. These platforms analyze significant market trends and provide predictions with incredible accuracy. Leverage this technology to make informed stock market investments with reduced risks. Next, explore automated digital marketing solutions. Use AI algorithms to manage and optimize pay-per-click campaigns, maximizing returns with less manual effort and creating a steady stream of passive income through digital advertising revenue. Another idea is AI-driven content creation. AI-powered platforms can generate articles, videos, and visuals on demand. Start a blog or YouTube channel and have AI produce regular content, attracting views and ad revenue without constant personal input. Let's talk about AI-powered e-commerce stores. Tools like Shopify Magic or ChatGPT help automate product descriptions, customer service, and ad copy, allowing you to run a dropshipping or print-on-demand store with minimal hands-on effort, earning income while you sleep. Consider AI investing bots, which use machine learning to adjust your portfolio automatically based on real-time data. It's like having a tireless financial advisor growing your wealth 24/7. Don't overlook AI-generated books and journals. Use AI to write and publish ebooks, guided journals, or coloring books on platforms like Amazon KDP. Once uploaded, they can bring in royalties month after month, truly passive. Curious about NFTs and digital art? AI tools generate beautiful, sellable artwork to mint as NFTs. Whether you're creative or not, launch your AI-powered art collection and earn royalties on resales. Another approach is AI-assisted affiliate marketing. Tools like Jasper and WriteSonic help create SEO-optimized content for affiliate blogs. Coupled with AI traffic analysis, you've got a system earning commissions 24/7. Finally, consider building an AI chatbot for businesses. Platforms like ManyChat allow you to monetize and maintain chatbots that handle customer service or sales, earning ongoing income. These ideas are just the tip of the iceberg. As AI evolves, opportunities for creating passive income streams grow too. Don't miss out. If you found these suggestions valuable, remember to like, subscribe, and share for more finance tips at Savvy Money Glow. See you next time, and keep glowing smarter with your money.